Okay, so I want to teach you how to do the handle of the bag and make it from scratch. So you cut a fishing line, any size of it, any length of your choice. So you take 4 beads, add 4 beads to any side of the fishing line, then you interlock the fourth bead like this. So on both sides of the fishing line, you add 1 bead and then you interlock the third bead. So they're going to use 3 beads for the second one. I'll do it again. That's 2. So again, on take 3 beads, 1 on each fishing line. So the third bead you interlock it. So we have 3. I'm going to do a very small handle, but I'm going to do this 5 more times. So this is 3. So I'll do the rest off camera. Interlock or lock the third bead. So I've done 4. Let's do this 4 more times. So this is 8. And now on to the 9th one. So on any side of your fishing line, you take 3 beads and you pass all 3 beads to it. I prefer using my left hand on my left fishing line. So I interlock the third bead, and so we have reached the second row or second line. So to continue or to start a new line, you take 3 beads, add the 3 beads to the same fishing line you added the previous 3 beads. Oh, I'm using my left, so add all 3 to your left fishing line. Then the lower fishing line will go to the next bead like this. So we've done that. So now to continue, you take 2 beads, add it to the same left fishing line. I want to lock mine. I believe we all know how to lock by now. So done that, you pass the lower fishing line to the next bead. So you continue with the same method, 2 beads on the top fishing line, interlock the second bead, lower fishing line will go to the next bead. So we're going to do this till we get to the second to the last or last bead. You're going to keep doing this, add 2 beads to the top, interlock the second, lower fishing line will go to the next bead. You're going to keep doing that till we get to the last or second to the last bead. We have gotten to the last place over here. So now I want to continue. On this right side, this side, you take 2 beads, you interlock the second bead. So we have done the second one. Now let's do the third one. So I'm just going to turn the mat around. Then to start a new line, we'll use 3 beads, and then you add all 3 to the left. Then you interlock the third bead over here. Then when you interlock it, you pull it down. lower fishing line, go to the next bead like this. So again, two beads, add both beads to the left fishing line, interlock the second bead, pull, lower fishing line, go to the next bead. So we're going to do this till we get to the last, or till we finish it, depending. So yeah, you're going to keep going this way. This is just like a demonstration of how to do the handle of the bag without having to like start from the body of the bag. So two beads on the right this time, and then let's lock it. So create your loop. If you are going to use this method to create the handle of the bag, please note that you have to build the side to hold the handle. To learn how to build the sides for the handle, a full tutorial video of the bag will be dropped later or is currently on the YouTube channel. So we're done with this. Now we want to join this together to create the handle. So we have three. So we're going to fold this first one here. Oh, that's one. We're going to leave the middle. Then the last one at the edge. Yeah, going to fold it too. So we have this. So now we're going to join these two together. So you take one bead, add it to the left fishing line, then pass that same bead to the opposite side like this. So you're going to have this. To continue, you're going to use one bead again, then you interlock that one bead and pull. So we have this. So you're going to pass both fishing lines to the next bead. That's one. Do it for the second side. So you take one bead, interlock that same one bead, pass both fishing lines to the next bead. So you've done that. So one more time, you take one bead, interlock or lock that one bead, then pass both fishing lines to the next bead. So the right will go to the next, left will go to the next bead. So we're going to do this till we finish the whole thing. Then after that, we'll join this to the edge of the handle from the bag that we did that. So this is what it will look like. This is what your handle look like. Like I said earlier, this is just to show you how to make the handle of the bag from scratch. Okay, so I have finished this, and then let's count. I think this is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. Yes, 4, 4, 9. Yes, 9. Then this is, let's not count this top place. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15. So if we add this together plus this, it should be 15. So let's add this to the body. So we're going to take one bead, pass it through any fishing line ball. Then you place the handle that you just did, yeah, you started from beginning. So you place it on the place you want to put it. So as you can see, this is the opposite side, like for the other side. So that same fishing line that you added the one bead, you pass it through the next bead at the other side. So you have this. So you take another bead, you interlock that one bead, like I said. So we have already started this one. So both facial lines will go to the next bead. The one over here has done that, and the one over here will do that. So that is, you have done that one. So you take another one bead and then you interlock the one bead, pull it. So we have this side done. So the usual, both facial lines will go to the next bead. Done. Then you do that for the other side. So you just take the last bead and then you can lock it. So we've done that. Now the leftover, the remaining bead, or the remaining facial line, I mean, you pass it to the next bead to secure it. So you've done that. We've joined them together. Then you pass the excess round and then you cut it off. But I'm not ready to cut it off. I'll cut everything off at the same time later. So we are done with this one.